My name is Dr. Shamarka Mohammed. I'm very pleased to be giving this recommendation and testimonial video for the excellent work that Home Guard Solutions Ltd have performed in my home. And this was actually something that I was incredibly pleased with, not only because the team led by Patrick from Home Guard Solutions Ltd were very professional throughout my dealings with them, but actually because in my case I was actually out of the country on business when the work that needed to be done around fitting a new roof on my porch was actually being done. So to have somebody who's reliable, somebody who is very good at communications from long distance away, who's honest, who is on time, was very, very important for me. And I couldn't be happier to have had Patrick and the entire team from Home Guard Solutions Ltd doing the work on my roof. The work was done within a day. They cleaned up after themselves. They were very thorough, kept me up to date with every step of the way of the work, the materials they were using. And you know, this is exactly what you need when you're having work done and you're not there to supervise it. So I highly recommend Patrick and Home Guard Solutions Ltd to do any work regarding roofs or maintenance or even plumbing. I had some leaks in my tap, in the sink of my kitchen, and they were able to get communication with the tenant started. They were able to go out there, replace the tap, and all of it was done in a very quick turnaround time. So I was very happy with that, and I highly recommend Home Guard Solutions Ltd. Thank you.